A frosting issue in a Samsung freezer can be caused by several factors. One possible reason is that the ice maker flap may not be closing fully, allowing warm air to enter the freezer and resulting in frost buildup. To address this, inspect the ice maker to ensure it is closing properly, paying particular attention to the back flap in the ice chute. If the flap is not closing correctly, it may be due to ice or dirt blocking its closure, in which case carefully cleaning the ice or dirt off should allow the flap to shut fully. Another potential cause is damaged door gaskets. To check for this, start by cleaning the gaskets and ensuring they are properly in place. A simple test can be conducted by shutting the appliance's door on a dollar bill. If the bill can be pulled out easily, it indicates that the gaskets are faulty and may need to be replaced. Poor air circulation within the freezer is also a possible culprit. To correct this, rearrange the freezer's contents to leave the vents unobstructed. Ensure no items are resting on the inside back wall, and keep all items spaced to facilitate cold air circulation. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix a Samsung freezer that is frosting up.